guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install DBeaver on Linux operating systems such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, etc. To get the software in Google search box, write there DBeaver, then go on this DBeaver.io site. Now here you can choose this community and pro. So pro, you can get this all features, and this you can use 14 days trial. So this is the trial you can use. Community, you can get the free. So this all feature you can do this. So I'm going to use the community. Let's click on this download. Then this step file for Debian and Ubuntu. Now if I scroll down, so here this is for Windows, Mac and Linux. For Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, you need to get this RPM file. So let's click on this RPM, and here this is now DBeaver C 26 version, 120 MB is the size. RPM file is now currently downloading. Now the software that's downloaded, let's click on this show in folder. So in folder, if that open, that's fine. If that not open, open. So here what you need to do, right click this, click on rename, select this all, copy. Then here open terminal, increase the size a little bit, and here paste this one. So there you need to write the command sudo dnf install and sudo dnf install. 1 second, I'm going to increase the size a little bit. So this command you need to use the sudo dnf install, then rpm file. Thereafter here press enter. So now you can get this all. So DBeaver C, that's come there, right Y to continue. So this package is now going to install this turn here. After that, what you need to do, let's go into this there, search DBeaver. So DBeaver C, that's come there, you need to click this. So here you can see DBeaver community. Here, if you want, then you can save the data. Let's click on this confirm. Do you want to? Let's click on yes. So here SQLite or this or that's come there. Here you need to click on this download to download the SQLite driver. Now you can get the sample database for SQLite. Thereafter, you can do so many things according to your requirement: create, view, filter, export, and many more. So view tables, here you can see this is the total columns for data. You can go on this data section and this here diagram. So this is the way we can here install DBeaver on this Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.